Hi Deepika, on your right, this is Faridun from Borodangama. Congratulations to both you and Meghna. It's an outstanding promo. Mr. Govind said, I think, a very important statement before you came in, and he spoke about the importance of conscience in cinema. Considering cinema is such a huge medium, it reaches out to so many people. What do you think is the importance of filmmakers and actors to be responsible in what they're communicating through the medium?
I said this just a couple of days ago on another show. I think it's very important. I think you cannot shy away from the fact that cinema is an extremely powerful medium. And then it depends on each individual how they choose to use that medium. But you cannot definitely shy away from the fact that it is extremely powerful. The youth get influenced by it. And I think, and I'm not going to, I definitely not claim that I've had this realization right from the start of my career. It's something that I've grown into and learned and understood over a period of time. Yeah. Does that answer the question?
Deepika, Justin here from PTI towards your left, here. Here. Should I? Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Just taking a cue from Faridun, I believe Lakshmi was attacked because a man refused to take her no. And that's where he got offended and he sort of attacked her.
I'll tell you the whole story now.
No, but I mean, it's a real life story I read up upon her. But tell me, today more than ever, the impact of pop culture is under scanner. For the longest, our films and songs have normalized talking and glorified iski na maybe ha hai culture. You think it's about high time that we introspect what we put on screen?
I can't speak for everybody.
Right,
I really can't speak for everyone. I can speak, and which is exactly what I said to Faridun as well. You can't shy away from the fact that it does have an impact on youth, on society, on the way we dress, on the way we think. It does. What everyone makes of that opportunity is for each one to decide individually.
For you, Meghna and Vikrant?
I completely agree. I mean, cinema has a very critical role because it is both inspiring as well as influencing, which can be used for good also. And the influences can be negative also. Like she said, it is each maker's choice or each actor's choice. It also goes into your own sensibility. Plus, if all cinema is only going to be responsible, you guys are not going to go to the theaters very long. Right? So some level of entertainment is also important, but even that can be done responsibly is what I believe.
You, Vikrant?
Yeah, I completely agree with Meghna ji and Deepika ji. As she said कि yes, एक dichotomy होनी ज़रूरी है, एक social responsibility या collective responsibility सिर्फ makers की तरफ से नहीं, writers की तरफ से नहीं. I think I absolutely believe in the fact that cinema is a reflection of our society, the times we live in. And अगर हम ये सवाल makers, writers और creators से अगर हम पूछते हैं कि क्या हमें सिर्फ responsible cinema बनाना चाहिए, कहीं ना कहीं हमें अपने आप को भी ये सवाल पूछने चाहिए कि आप we responsible enough? रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में ये कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ hard thought हमें इस पे डालना है, ये रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी की बात है. So it's a two-way street, and yeah, and as I said, the times we live in, जो चीज़ें हम रोज़ देख रहे हैं, directly indirectly महसूस कर रहे हैं, हम उसमें contribute अपनी capacity में कितना कर सकते हैं, वो मुझे इस वक्त ज़रूरी लगता है.
And it's not that if you're socially responsible, then it's going to be a serious movie, a hard-hitting movie. No. Sorry to digress, but Piku, for example, said so much, but it was still entertaining. So it's not that if you do socially responsible films, they're going to be a certain type or a certain way. They can still be told in an engaging and entertaining manner.